I love taking her dust bath. She loves it. Hi everyone. It's me, Lori. I am back for, well, I'm sorry for my absence, first of all. And thank you for coming to my garden. Just a lot of things going on in my real life, real life. And again, I'm sorry for those who do subscribe to me that I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I have periodically harvested some potatoes. They did fairly well. We've had a lot of rain here in Kentucky, and some of them didn't do so good. But, you know, you win some, you lose some. But today I was kind of excited. I wanted to show you this potato pot. And this is my last potato pot, but I wanted to show you kind of how cool it is. These are my Magic Mollies. They're purple. They're a purple breed of potato. And they're done. They're pretty much done. You can see, and I've got some potato bugs going on here too. You can see, I've been trying to kill them as I go along, and I'm giving them to my chickens as well, which they're loving it. Especially Henny and Penny, they love bugs, love them. Anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to show you these potato pots, and the reason I do have it in my raised bed as well is because I'm just recycling my dirt and putting it in my raised beds. So my raised bed didn't do good. The gardens have not been a good year just because of all the rain. But anyway, so let's get onto it here. Okay, so you can see that it has an insert. I hope you can see that. This. And then this, you can see, I wanted to show you the inside, if you can see that, right there. And you can usually just remove it, which is pretty nice size. Look how pretty purple that is. Oops, sorry, so close. But yeah, you can see the insides of the potato, or inside this container. And these been in for 4 months, and I figured, well, let's get to picking. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the stem here. Oh, I've also had mice. I think it's a certain mouse. I think it's just the one mouse. But she's been making nests in my potatoes. And I've already found a couple empty nests. But then I've also found 2 containers with babies in them. And I don't know if you've ever seen baby mice, but look at that, isn't that cool? Sorry. I don't know if you've ever seen baby gray mice, but they're cute. And I have a field. I know you all are probably thinking, Lori, why did you do that? But I let them go. I put them in the field. I just didn't have the heart to kill them. So I was told, give them to my chickens, they'll eat them. I just can't. I don't have the heart to do that. But anyway, okay, so look at this. These potato pots are pretty good, I guess. Not bad. If you want to harvest the baby potatoes as you go along. I've already harvested some few potatoes already today. Hope you can see this. I should. Alright, hopefully you can see it better. I think red or purple potatoes are so pretty. And they're very good. Not much different, I don't think, not much different than a red potato. And again, this breed is called Magic Mollies. I purchased these from Curzio from Kenosha Potato Project there. You can find them on Facebook. So, wasn't a very good deal, but not bad. Considering I had 43 containers of potatoes, and I've had to harvest some early because of the rain. So, there we have it. My Magic Mollies. And these were 2 potato seeds. 2 potato seeds. That's not bad. Kind of look like similar to a purple fingerling, or that size, kind of. Oh, here's another one. I have a feeling I might have some volunteer potatoes next year in this raised bed, but that's okay. I love potatoes. And again, I hope you all are doing well. I'm again sorry that I haven't uploaded anything. So, my father, might as well just tell you a little bit. My father's been diagnosed with cancer, and I had to go to Michigan for a while, for a few days, and then, of course, my husband, he's been ill. So, if you guys could throw out some prayers, that would be wonderful. My father is doing good, though, and he is improving. He starts his chemo in a week, and he's a fighter. I know he'll get through this. So, and again, thank you again for coming to my garden. I really appreciate your audience. Thank you. If you do like my videos, please like and subscribe if you don't care. Until next time, you have a wonderful day, and God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.